Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at home. So Chef, what are we cooking here today?
Shrimp scampi.
Oh, I love shrimp scampi.
I have friends and family always ask why mine don't taste like the restaurant. I'm gonna give you the secrets.
Okay, let's get started.
Go ahead and throw some olive oil in that
Throw
pan.
some olive oil, all right.
And you want to start at medium high. You don't want to smoke in high
Okay.
pan. So then we're gonna add our garlic.
And garlic, all right.
Add your tomatoes and mushrooms.
Tomatoes. All right. And mushrooms.
You betcha.
Excellent.
We're gonna saute that up.
All right.
Got some tongs over there.
Excellent. All right. I get to do the cooking today, huh?
That's right.
All right.
All right, so you gotta really watch the garlic. If it starts to turn brown, that's when you wanna hit it with your white wine and Deglaze.
Okay. All right. Ready?
So you just kind of want a roasty flavor. You don't want to go all the way with it.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Always take pan off the heat when you're using any kind of alcohol.
Okay. All right.
Go ahead and add your shrimp.
Add my shrimp.
So we use 1620s today. Make sure that you're peeling and deveining them correctly.
Okay.
Got those at Ingles today.
It smells so good with that white wine.
All right, you're gonna add a couple of cubes of butter. Make sure it's cold.
Okay.
It for some reason when it emulsifies with a hot liquid, it's better when it's cold.
Okay. All right.
So you're gonna saute all that up. So I just filleted out a little bit of lemon so that there's no seeds. Just gonna squeeze a little bit of acid in there.
Excellent.
Go ahead and add your pasta.
Add my pasta. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna generously season it with some pepper.
Excellent.
And then again, shrimp is from the
Sea.
So what don't we have to use a lot of?
Not too much
Not
salt.
so much salt.
Okay. All right.
All right, and the secret to any scampi or anything that you're working with garlic with is sugar.
What, really?
Yes, so sugar will take away some of that bitterness from roasted garlic, or if you use a little too much, you know, like my mom, you just gotta add a little bit of sugar, and it just kind of sweetens it and makes it heaven.
So sugar is the secret ingredient. There
So
you go.
to finish this off, I'm gonna chiffonade some basil. So what you do is you take the basil leaves off the stalk,
Okay.
stack them together, and you're just gonna roll them up. The secret to this is a really sharp knife, because if you use a dull one and you bruise the basil, it gets really bitter. But you wanna get it as thin as you can. And because it's a fresh herb, you don't add it in the beginning, otherwise it breaks down and it tastes like garbage.
Okay. That looks beautiful. That's ribbon.
That's ribbon, that's
All
chiffonade.
right.
So throw that in.
All right. Once you pull out that last that
And when
finished
it's
product.
all done, you have shrimp scampi.
There you go. Thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time.